So I'm saying Happy New Year to everyone. I'm saying Happy New Year to everyone wherever you are watching me from, in any part of the world you are watching me from, and anytime you are watching this video. I want to say Happy New Year to you, everyone. In this today's video, I'll be making a short recap on my trading journey 2025, everything that happened on the year 2025. In the year 2025 was not really a good year for me in terms of trading, because I the year 2025 with no profit. It is a hard it is a hard truth to say, but I ended 2025. I lost all my profit accounts, over 10 profit accounts in different profit. I lost about 3 in funded nest, lost about 2 in my 5 percenters, lost about also 2 in funded pips. Almost all my accounts in the year 2025, I lost almost all of them, not because my strategy was not working, but I was just chasing a shiny object, which is what I'm going to address in this year 2025. I set unrealistic goal in the year 2025 of being funded of $1 million, and it haunted me, and a lesson has been learned. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing everything that happened on the year 2025. On January 2025, as everybody normally write New Year's resolution, I wrote a New Year's resolution in a piece of paper that I want to be funded $1 million at the end of the year 2025. It was looking juicy, it was looking good, but the reality comes that the pressure of trading come to act on my strategy. And one thing about trading, that trading doesn't care what you feel or what your target you set for yourself. Trading does not care. So I was taking higher risk. I was blowing account. I was not recovering the account. I was just buying more profit, buying, losing it, buying, losing it, buying, losing it, because the end goal was just to get $1 million from debt. So it messed my psychology. It messed everything about me. At the end of the last quarter of the year 2025, being September, October, November, all my accounts have already been breached. I was only remaining $5,000 in funding pips, which I passed phase one and lost it in phase two also. So in the year 2026, I am setting a realistic goal. I'm setting a goal that is very realistic, a goal that is achievable. So my goal in this year 2025, in terms of in profit trading, is to be funded $100,000 in profit funding, and to make a 10% withdrawal, at the end of the year. It is simple, it is timely, it is achievable. Getting funded $100,000 at the end of the whole year is very simple, and it is very affordable, it is very achievable. So to divide $100,000 in percent is very achievable, and it is very timely. So I am reducing my unrealistic goal of 2025 into a realistic goal in this year 2026, and I'm also encouraging everyone who is going into profit in this year 2026 to also set a realistic goal, to set a goal that is achievable, a goal that is not unrealistic, as I did in the year 2025 or setting $1 million in funding. And I was trading emotionally. I was buying account, blowing account, buying account, blowing account. If you have a lot of money in your pocket that you can throw around, you can also set a realistic goal of $2 million, $1 million goal. But if you know how, if you are coming from where most of us are coming from, especially in Africa, Nigeria, you know that buying a prop firm as little as $5,000, you have to work almost a month to earn that money of buying one 5K from account. So it's not something you should start throwing money up and down. So in this year 2026, I'm setting a very realistic and targetable goal of passing 100K, $100,000 profit account, and making a 10% withdrawal at the end of the full year. And if you want to follow me on this journey too, guys, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this, and like this video, so that YouTube can recommend this video to as many beginner traders who are going or who are starting a profit journey in this year 2026, so we can grow together. I'll be making more and more video on a series on how we are going to be trading and how we are going to be achieving this goal of $100,000 profit at the year 2026. It's going to be in series. I've already bought funding peace 5K accounts, which we are going to start trading in this year, in this January. So already have a setup in December. I had a very good setup that run down to 2% in profit, but I never took that trade because I've already said that I'm going to start trading this 5K account in this January 2026. So my goal in this first quarter is to pass the 5K account in this first quarter, and in the second quarter we are getting 10K accounts, and on the third quarter we are getting 50K accounts, and on the last quarter of this year 2026 we are getting $100,000 profit account, and that is the goal, to pass $100,000 in funding in this year 2026. Guys, it is achievable, it is timely. Do well to follow me on this channel, because I'll be making more and more content on this video that we can grow together. I'm in 3 years plus in this trading industry, so I have a lot of experience, I have a lot of energy, I have failed, I have seen failure, I have seen trade hit stop loss, I have seen trades hit TP. So I have a lot of things to share to new beginners and those who are also in the journey, or those who are professional. There are one or two things we can learn from one another. So guys, do well to follow me on this channel. Please do well to recommend this channel, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. It's just a short video that I want to wish everybody happy new year, happy successful trading 2026. We're going to be making withdrawals, we're going to be making more progress, and we're going to be diversifying in this year 2026. Peace, guys. See you on my next video.